Hey everybody, it's Kelly. It's that time of the month. I got my bargain bead box. I just got it in the mail. I've been eagerly awaiting it. And I am going to do the unboxing for it. So this month for June, the bargain bead box is Summer Sunrise. It says, bright skies lie ahead with these warm, summery colors. A sparkle cubic zirconia sun pendant. Ooh. Brings the heat, matched with agate and Malaysia jade quartz accents. Plenty of sparkling crystals and high-quality gold findings. These fabulous factory closeouts came to us already individually labeled. You will notice one pack, the 5.5 millimeter crystal rounds marked with 2 asterisks on your list that came mislabeled as a pendant. Okay, so they match our theme so perfectly that we included them for you anyway. The actual info for the item is 5.5 millimeter crystal English cut faceted round beads and goldenrod AB 10 inches. Okay, so I will leave the link below to Bargain Bead Box. So if you are interested, ooh, oh, it does have, interesting. So it does have different labeling. Oh, these are such pretty, bright colors. Let me see here. I'm going to open this up. I wonder if there's still... Oh, so I don't have to go buy those. Okay, so this... Here, okay, let's start with all of these. So let's start with this one. This was the one that was mislabeled. So this is actually 5.5 millimeter crystal English cut faceted round beads in goldenrod AB 10 inches. Let me make sure. Okay, the light looks good. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, I'm really excited for these beads. Usually they have like a theme of just like 1 or 2 colors, but they're all over the place with this, which I love. Because you can mix and match. You can do something with just the pinks, or you can mix the purple with it, or you can mix all of them together. So that is really pretty. And next we have 6 millimeter crackled agate faceted round beads. I'm just going off of this bag. Oh, look at these. These are pretty. Oh, you can definitely make some beautiful summer jewelry. This is definitely a June box. Although we have summer all around here in Florida, but oh, these are so, love them. Some are more like a fuchsia, some are more like a hot pink. And it's like a soft pink. Got some striations in there. Gorgeous. Okay. And next is 8 millimeter matte deep orange crackle agate round beads. So I'm not going off of the sheet because they already have them on here. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, look at the striations they got in there. These are, they're matte, but yet they still have a little bit of sheen to them. So they're not like totally matte. Oops. I love the difference. I love the way there's different, like those little stripes right there. Everything, oh, so pretty. Okay. Next is 15 and a half by 10 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass magnetic clasp. Okay. Oh, I like this. Grab this. Oh, nice. These are really great for bracelets and stuff too, because you know, it's easier than having to try and do a lobster clasp. That's pretty. Okay. Oh, let's check out some of these purple ones. These are 8x7mm crystal faceted lantern beads and amethyst coat. 20 pieces. Oh, look at the sparkle on these beauties. Look at that. Love, love, love. Ooh, 18mm pink crackle agate teardrops, 18 karat gold plated wired 2 pieces. Ooh. I remember they gave us these, I forgot what month it was, and they were like, kind of like this color. It was more like a fall, and they were like a burnt orange sienna drop like this. And I made a memory wire bracelet, and I added all the rich fall colors to it, and then I put one on each end and dangled it like a teardrop. I put it up on my Etsy store, and it was gone in 24 hours. Somebody bought it. I was like, wow. So, yes, this is really pretty. These are nice. I like this month's box. Really went out of their comfort zone with this. Okay, 35x16mm Malaysian jade dyed quartz oval pendant. Oh. Love this. Love these colors. Just the richness. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, and let's go with this beauty. This is 33x32mm 18 karat gold plated brass and cubic zirconium sun pendant. Look at this. That's the back of it. That's the sun in front of it. I'm sure what everybody's going to do with this will make a pendant. Or you could, I mean, make a chunky bracelet and dangle it off of there if you wanted to. You know, if you wanted to do something different. But look at all the, you can see all the little sparkles in that. Very pretty. Okay. That. And next, I love this color. 8x7mm crystal faceted lantern beads teal coat, 20 pieces. Oh, gorgeous. Look at, so we've got them in teal and we got them in amethyst. So gorgeous. Look at this when you turn the beads and you just kind of, that sparkle in there. Gorgeous. Love me some beads. It's funny, I watch some of the other people like Teresa from Teresa's Handmade Jewelry and stuff. We all get so excited over these things. My husband does not get it. He's like, they're just beads. And I'm like, shut your mouth. They're not just beads. Okay, 8mm crystal faceted bold cut round beads magenta coat, 20 pieces. But yes, we love our beads. Oh, these are pretty. So these are faceted bold cut. So these aren't, but they're, look at it. I mean, we got a lot of sparklies this month. Love it. And I like getting the sparklies with some of the matte because you could really, I mean, you could, you know, add a little bit of everything onto something and really do something unique. Or, you know, you could just do all sparkle or, I mean, the sky's the limit with this month's box. Oh, I love that. When you look at it, it's like there's little striations in it. You see, it's like it's like the bead itself is soft pink, and then there's like some fuchsia or dark pink little lines in there and squiggles. Very pretty. Okay. Ooh, more sparklies. Bring it on. Okay, this is 4mm crystal bicone beads, magma. I think of Austin Powers when you see the word magma. AB 13 inches. I love comedy, so I'll sit in my bead room and watch like Austin Powers or something while I'm making jewelry. Oh, these are pretty. Look at how pretty these are. I mean, you could do this right here, could be a double strand bracelet. It's with this by itself. Gorgeous. Okay, oh, there's so much more. Wow, oh, I have to check these out. 10mm crackle agate round beads in maroon, dyed and heated. I think that's what DH stands for. Ooh. Hello. Look at these. Oh. Look at these beauties. This looks like a glass of Merlot or Cabernet right there. This looks like cherries. Wow. So pretty. Oh, I think these might be my favorite. I don't know. This month's really hard. This is a really hard month to pick a favorite. I don't know. Maybe, well, yeah, I think maybe this might be, I don't know. 14mm crystal faceted coin beads, magma, AB, 6 pieces. Okay, I'm in a goofy mode. I just got back from Walmart. I went grocery shopping, and so I've been just in a crazy mood all day. These are so pretty. Waited for the mail lady to come, and she came, and I ran out, grabbed the beads, and came in here to make the video. Look how pretty these are. Gorgeous. And next is 3.5 by 2, 5mm stainless steel textured oval jewelry chain, 18 inches. Usually they give us, I forgot, a little more, but that's cool. They give us a little less and they give us more beads, and they really give us a lot of beads this month. Look at that. That's really pretty. The textured chain. Really pretty. Love, love, love. Okay, and then, let me see, let's look at this one. 24 by 18mm carved agate oval bead, dyed and heated. Oh, I don't know if you can see the, okay, I don't know if it's showing up in the, there, in the light. It's got like an imprint on it. Oh, that's really pretty. And the hole goes through the top like that. Very different. And next we have 7mm swirl bead caps, lead-free, cadmium-free, 30 pieces. Oh, so these are pretty. Well, that's one of them. They're pretty thick. Very nice. The thing about gold too is if you're not a big gold fan, like some people aren't, you can make something and you can just use a little bit of the gold if it's too much for you, or you can do mixed metal. I do a lot of times. I'll mix gold and I'll put like some copper in there, and it kind of mutes down the brightness of the gold. So there's a lot you can do, you know. So this is 5.5 by 2mm corrugated rondelle spacer beads, lead nickel, cadmium free, 10 grams. I'm sorry, I'm yawning. It's been a crazy morning. Oh, yeah. It's pretty. Okay. And next, 17.5 by 15.5 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass sun charms, 2 pieces. So this matches with the pendant. Ooh. Oh, pretty. This is a really nice box this month. Very happy with it. I am very happy with this month. I don't know. This is hard this month, but I think these might be my favorite. These remind me those cherry candies. I forgot what they were called. Corrugated cherry. I don't remember what they were, but they were like they came in a bag, and they were crunchy the outside, and they had a little bit of like a gel center. Not the chocolate covered cherries. Those are good too, but that's what these remind me of. I used to eat them as a kid. So I think these are my favorite. I think. I could change my mind. This is really pretty too. That's different. I love all of these faceted lantern beads. These, yeah, oh, this is so pretty. Definitely going to be making some gorgeous stuff this month. So yes, so definitely stay tuned to my channel. I will be busy. So I hope you guys got your boxes and you're enjoying them, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I have all my links below, my Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and I have an Etsy store too where I put my jewelry a lot of times. So yes, so don't forget to subscribe, and I will leave a link below to Bargain Bead Box if you're not familiar with it. And I will see you guys on my next video. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.